This video shows you how to fix the Android Call app not working issue step by step in a simple and effective way. If your phone app is freezing, crashing, or you can't make or receive calls, try these solutions one by one. First, toggle airplane mode. Swipe down from your screen and turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This helps refresh your network connection and often fixes temporary signal glitches. Next, clear the cache and data of your phone app. Go to Settings, then Apps and find the phone or Google Phone app. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache. If the problem continues, tap Clear Data as well. Keep in mind, this may remove call history on some devices, but it helps reset the app and fix hidden errors. If the issue still exists, force stop the app. In the same app settings page, tap Force Stop, then reopen the phone app. This shuts down any background bugs or processes that might be causing the problem. Another important step is checking app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Phone Permissions. Make sure the app has access to microphone, phone, contacts, and call logs. Without these permissions, the calling feature may not work properly. You should also reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then System or General Management, then Reset, and choose Reset the Set Network Settings. This will restore Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings to default, which often fixes deeper connectivity issues. Finally, check for updates. Open the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store and search for the phone or Google Phone app. If an update is available, install it immediately, as updates often include important bug fixes. That's it. Your Android Call app should now be working smoothly. If the issue continues, repeat the steps or restart your phone once more for a final refresh.